Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this thing here, a Tourer van 500 MQ Vansation from Knaus. This is a really unusual, super unusual vehicle. And this vehicle, despite what you might think is its interesting shape, has been one of the reasons for the problems, financial problems, that Knaus Tabbert faces, as well as his bad management, of course. Right, so what have we got here? Well, we've got a bed up here. I mean, it's highly original, isn't it? This is a VW motorhome. Bed comes down like this, comes across. Let's hope it's not broken. Oh yes, it's not broken. Got a big window there, very nice light here. Got a double space here, and this will form part of the toilet in here. So you're either in the bed or you're having a shower, but that will actually move down. How well it'll actually stay in place, I don't know. Oh, here we've got access to the garage. Put that up there. That comes out like that, and there you can see not the garage, sorry, the wardrobe. And there you have the wardrobe. The garage is on the other side. Here we've got these drawers. Here, can't open this, but there's two burners. Here's a sink. Let's see if I can get this thing here to go back. Oh dear, as suspected, it's jammed. So, but anyway, crawl under this, and that gives you an idea of the amount of space when the bed is down. One thing I would have to say though, you can actually sit in the seat I'm sitting in right now with the bed down. Can you sit in this seat? Good question, let's find out. No, it's all right. Look, I'm under, okay, my back's not exactly straight, but all the same, I mean, I'm sitting under it, so people can actually use the bed above while sitting in the seat down here. So, is that good or is that bad? I think that's very good. In most motorhomes, that is not possible at all, and this is absolutely a tiny motorhome. Now, one of the problems that Knaus faces was the fact that it appears, according to what I understand, to have overstocked on VW vehicles. And because VW decided they were going to stop manufacturing it for whatever reason, Knaus overstocked, and that is, so it's got piles of these things now, which it cannot sell. And it's very unusual. There's one of my viewers, no name, he actually showed photographs he'd taken, I think it was in Dusseldorf, of how bad the work was here, and you can see in this one here, that's not good at all. I mean, that's just coming out. I've got a feeling, I don't know, but I would suggest to you that if you see that like that in a show like this, that's going to start leaking sooner or later. I mean, that's my opinion. I'm not very technical. Let's have a look inside this one here as well, and here we can see what the bed looks like in this vehicle. So there you go. That's what it's like with the bed, the shower unit in. So it is unusual. My opinion is this: is that it's a great idea. I'm not going to knock Knaus for the idea. The idea is great. You're either having a shower or you're in bed. So that really is thinking outside the box. You've got access to the toilet no matter what, because this will move over. You have to use this here to pull, and that. So I need two hands, but that will slide under there. That's also great. I suppose theoretically you could use that for storage as well, because I mean, it's a tiny van anyway. Thing is, this, it doesn't look very solid to me, and I can see that getting broken in no time at all. And anybody needing spare parts for it, I'm going to suggest they might have serious problems finding them. I notice when it's here, there's this gap, and the gap doesn't seem to be very good. I don't know, some say it's badly made. Maybe it is, maybe I can't really tell from this angle. But let's face it, this is a highly original vehicle. I mean, 5 meters long, about 90,000 to 100,000 euros, depending on the level of equipment that you've got in it. As you noticed before, the bed, with the bed down, you couldn't see the kitchen. And it's, oh, okay. Demonstration failed. There you go, there's a price, 90,000 euros. Well, I'll give you the technical stuff as well, because whilst we're passing, I want to show you a final one, what it looks like. This is about 6 meters long. Sorry, I said 5, 6, 6, 6. I should 589 by 216, 200, and outer height 295, inner height 200. Look at that payload. It's over 700 kilos of payload in something like this. Now, if we come to this one here, which is perhaps the most original of them, with this tent that pops up, it allows it to be a low van, so with the benefits like for fuel consumption, and it being able to be put into a normal garage or an underground garage. There's a height limit of 2 meters, which is seen as being critical in Germany. So 100,000 euros. Let's go to the technical details on this. Again, everything's the same, and the outer height 216, so it's just above the technical point, which lots of people think being 2 meters. Huge payload inside. The problem for me, I have to say, this tent, I suppose any tent eventually is going to become a bit dodgy. I mean, what you could do, I suppose, you can get these bags which you could fill up inside. Technically, it's a great idea. You can see also we've got the shower here. You know, put this round here, so you can see the shower and the toilet, the same as in the other vehicle. The idea is really good. Tiny floor plate. In this case, there's only 2 beds. I think it's ridiculous expecting 4 people to be in a vehicle that small. Okay, I've tripped up on this a couple of times, but I suppose once you get used to it, you'll stop tripping up on it. Anybody who wanted one of these, I've got to strongly recommend that they rent it first, and you can rent it. However, I would strongly recommend not buying anything for Knaus for reasons I've gone into in other videos. Gas cylinder, garage, and what 6 meter vehicle gives you garage that size? Well, this one does here, doesn't it? But that's even bigger. Right, great idea, absolutely outstanding idea, but in practice, I just don't think it works at all, which is a pity. And no one else has copied it, which is one. I mean, when you see a vehicle with a good idea, everybody goes and copies it. Having said that, they've got the Knaus service box, which Knaus has done for a number of years, and I don't think that has been copied, or maybe it has. I'm not certain at this moment. Can't remember. Anyway, so there you go. Extremely innovative vehicle. Might have contributed to the financial problems faced by Knaus Tabbert, which has seen its share price drop almost by 5 times, because they stocked up in these things and then they couldn't sell them because VW were going to stop production. I mean, there's other problems as well. It's got legal problems related to fraud and management issues, which I've been talking about in the past. But anyway, so thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and bye for now.